Hello everybody, welcome back to my amazing Learn Scratch channel again. Learn Scratch video. I have so many videos, I can't tell if it's a channel or a video. Well, it is a video from my cool channel. Weird sounds. Anyways, let's get to this project. Why not? So this project is going to be, you guessed it. You guessed it, it's the month of the spooky, scary event, Halloween! Yes. Do you like my spooky voice? Okay, anyways, let's get started with this project. It's the Halloween month. Let's spooky up the projects. All right, let's spooky up the projects. Woo! So check out all the amazing Halloween projects by searching Halloween. I'm gonna put that hashtag Halloween thing in my video. I already put it, so what's the big deal? Okay, anyways, let's get started with this Halloween project. What is it ever gonna be about? Yeah. Ooh, you guessed it. It's a pumpkin. That was a clue. Good clue. Good person, I forgot your name in that thing. Okay, anyways, we're in the scratch thing again. So we're going to just create I'm just keep talking. So let me tell you about the Halloween season. So I'm just going to talk about the Halloween season because why not? So in Halloween, if you don't know Halloween, it's a special day for kids. From any age, like any age you have ever thought of, like kids from any age. They literally just go, they get candy. They get candy, and then once they get candy, then they start trick or treating. Because if you don't know what that is, because the trick or treating tricks are back this month. Yes, they are back. So you are gonna get tricked if you don't give them a treat. So yeah, if you don't know what Halloween is, you just learned it. So isn't this spooky? Like a spooky project. Isn't that cool? Or this looks like a basketball. Okay. Ooh. I'm still doing my spooky voice. I don't know why. We're gonna add some mist to this pumpkin. So I'm just gonna add some mist. Some cool mist. I'm gonna add some mist. Is that even mist? Like seriously? Oh yes, this is mist. I'm just gonna fill it in and I'm going to make it white, even though this looks weird. Okay, anyways, we got pumpkin. How do you like this mist? Isn't the mist cool? We're like, what? Like, what's the problem with this mist? And it's cool. Like, it's cool. Like, actually. Okay, and you know what's missing on top of this pumpkin? That cute little stem, little stem. And I don't know how I got happy again. Hoppy or happy? What is going on? Anyways, let's get to this Halloween season. Okay, why is it? Okay, anyways, why is it keep on showing white when I need black? Okay, there we go. Now let's just fill it in with black. Oh, shoot. Anyways, why is it so quiet? Yes, another spooky project, and I keep on singing the same thing. Anyways, there's our spooky pumpkin. It's so spooky. I love this mist. What a cool mist this is. Okay, why do I keep on singing that same song again and again and again? Okay, I'm stopping that song. Anyways, let's just make this mist slightly smaller because I don't want it to be too misty, you know, misty. And now let's add some sparkles because Halloween night is the Halloween night. Halloween night is on the Halloween bright. Okay, this mist is so cool. I'm just gonna put a sidewalk, a spooky sidewalk. Best decoration. Spooky lights. The spooky lights are here. They are here. So now let's just continue with the project. I gotta stop whispering, like seriously. Okay, let's just add that Halloween night. Oh yes, yes, we got the Halloween night on the Halloween bride. Cause you got your Halloween night on the Halloween bride. Cause you got your Halloween night on the Halloween night. Cause you got your Halloween night on the Halloween bride. Huh, why do I keep on saying that? It's kind of weird. Okay, so how do you like my pumpkin? It's so cool, right? So cool. So cool. And why am I talking like Babel Drake again? Oh yes, the pumpkin and the ghost. Yes, da 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 da. It's not Halloween yet, but I don't know why I still posted this project. But it's the Halloween month. How could that be? Okay, that's a mist. So yeah. Anyways, why do I? Mist. Boo! Did I scare you? Yeah, of course I scared you. You got so scared. You were mind blown. And I should add some Halloween music, like, yeah. Like I should add some Halloween music. Let me go search up Halloween music on Sketch real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, we are back, and I found some Halloween music. Yep, you can't hear it. I forgot. You can't hear it. Let me just show you real quick, and you will hear it. Space Rebel. I'm not. Okay, but I need help. Let me just quickly on the microphone.